Okay, I'm Carlos Alberto Bulnes. She's Teresa. We belong to MBA Roller Bearings. We are like Spanish company. We're trying to expand our products in USA market. We manufacture in Spain, so we're trying, like I told you, is expand our products in order to get the market here in USA. We are specialized in bearings, in rodent, actually, in sleigh rodent, and as well we are in the glycodur, we say sleighing bearings as well. So we manufacture, so we can do whatever, we can make whatever product that they need, the size, everything. So we're trying to accommodate to the market as well.
We have a lot of experience. We've worked in Spain in many solar plants, and now we're trying to expand to the US. So we've worked in the 280 megawatts plant, and then in India and Middle East, and well, I think that's it. Well, we're trying to expand, so that's it. I think it's been great. It's a great opportunity to meet people, to have some contacts, and to see how this market is going. Thank you very much.